Hey guys, welcome to this video. Happy to see you here, and now is the time to learn step by step how to use Periscope like a pro. First, I'll give you a quick overview of the app so you understand where things are and how to use the app efficiently. And after that, we will create our first scope live streaming Periscope session. Okay, so let's switch the username here. Okay, excellent. Let me skip all these. Okay, wonderful. So here we are on the app main screen. At the bottom, we have some icons: the TV, the word, the camera, the bell, and the account icon. On the TV icon, we have all the feature broadcasts here at the top, right? And we have the option to connect with Facebook, so you can see people, your friends that are on Periscope, when you will be notified when they are live on Periscope and all that good stuff. Next, we have the word. If we click here, we have the list of all the scopes that are live right now. This is live right now all over the world. And let me show you here. You see at the top we have list and map. If I click on map, we can choose live streaming from anywhere in the world using the map, right? If we go here to Europe, you see all the streams that we have. And here, the difference between, you see here some red cycles and also blue circles. So the blue circles are recorded Periscopes, sessions that just finished a few minutes ago, a few hours ago. And all the red are the ones that are live right now. So let's tune to one of them. Let's choose this one. Okay, so this is one of them. You see here the session going on. This is how it works. You see how many people are connected here on the bottom right hand side, 72 right now. The hearts is a very important tool on Periscope, because that means that people are clicking. When you like what you are seeing, you just click on the screen with your finger, and that will actually create a heart for this. Let's see here. Let me do that right now. It will create hearts for these people, this person, for this company that is creating the live streaming here. Also, you see the comments when people are commenting and all that. If I click here to the three dots next to the number of followers, you see all the options. How many people are right now? The I am brain scientist, ask me anything, hashtag science. This is the title of this scope. You can follow this guy right now. I am McLaughlin. You can click on follow and you will be following this guy. And every time he creates a new scope, you will be notified. That's how it will happen to you. So when you are doing this scope, people will have the chance to come here and follow you on Periscope. Broadcast details. You see here how many live viewers. You see the map and all this good information. Share broadcast. You can share this with your audience. If I click here, I have the option to share on Twitter, share with all my followers on Periscope. I have followers on Periscope. We will talk about that later on the course. Share with specific followers, share on Twitter, on Facebook, or share the link. You can send by message or any way that you want. Okay. Other option we have, hide the chat. Sometimes people are having great conversations here, but you cannot see actually what's going on the screen. So you have the option to hide the chat if you want. Let me put the chat back. Show chat. Excellent. And you can report broadcast if there is any problem here. So this is basically how it works, guys. If you want to go to the next broadcast, you can just slide with your finger to the other side and you will be seeing all live broadcasts. This is all live people right now on Periscope, and you have the map view as we saw. Before we go to the middle here to the camera, let me go to the notifications area. Here you will have any notifications on your account, and the last one, as you know, is the account, the people, and you click on the top here, top right hand side, and you see your account. Wonderful. So now we will do the most important thing here. We will click the center icon here, the camera one. So click on that, and the app is asking me right now to enable camera, microphone, or location. So we need to grant permission to the app to these specific elements in order to successfully create a Periscope live stream. Okay, so let me enable the camera here. Yes, I allow. Enable the microphone. Yes. Enable location. Allow. Wonderful. So that's it. It's ready right now. Let me change here. Excellent. Here I am. Hey guys. And you see here at the top, public, right? If I click on public, you can change this. You can remove public, or you can enter specific audience here. You can create a new group. You can invite people to your scope. Okay, let me click on done here. Excellent. Below that, we have the question, what are you seeing now? That's the title of your scope. So in here, I recommend you to add the title to your session and try to use specific keywords that will call the attention of your followers. Most people will discover your stream on the map. On the map, as I show you here a minute ago, here on the map, people will come on the map here, or they will come to the list and they will find you here with a good title. How do we decide what we want to see here? We see the title and we say, yes, I want to see this one, okay? So it's a good idea to use, let me change here. It's a good idea to use a good title, a compelling title, something that will interest and will call the attention of your followers. And also, you can add here on the title also links to your website. So this is another place where we can add links. I am not sure if Periscope will soon remove the option to add links here on the title, but for now it's allowed. So while it's allowed, please use that option on your advantage. Adding your link is super important because your website will be on the eyes of your followers. You can add your landing page link, you can add your website link, a link to your Facebook, to your YouTube channel. There is no limits of the things that you can do here. Also below here, so the title goes here. Let me type title. Excellent. And below here at the bottom, we have 5 icons. The first one is the location. So I can enable or disable the location. Okay, now it's on, now it's off. That's up to you. Doesn't make any difference, in my opinion, on the marketing side of this strategy, if having or not having your location. The next one is only users. Let's see here. Only users you follow can chat. It's important when you start having a large large number of followers here on Periscope. Sometimes you have people that are writing comments that are not very good, and you cannot moderate because you are live here, delivering value to your audience. So you don't have the options to read all and moderate, remove people from the stream, right? So if you start having lots and lots of people commenting, and maybe you find comments that are not good and you don't want that on your live stream, you can you can turn this on, so only people that you follow will be able to comment. Okay, they can follow you, but they cannot comment unless you follow them. Makes sense, right? The next one is the Twitter post. If it's on, this stream will automatically be posted on your Twitter account. That's a good option also to share this with your audience. The next one is Facebook. I won't enable that right now, but you can share that on Facebook too. And you can enable the super hearts. Super hearts, I will talk about that later here on the course. When you are ready with all this, you have the perfect title, you have all these icons here ready, you can click on go live, and let's do that, go live, and now we are live here on Periscope. You see the seconds, the time is counting here at the bottom. You are live, and you see the live symbol here. You have the 3 dots. On the 3 dots, you have how many people are connected here right now. You have your name, your username here on Periscope. You have the broadcast details showing where you are right now in the world. Let me go back here. Ask to follow. You can ask the people that are right now connected to follow by clicking there. You can ask them to share by clicking here, so everybody will receive a notification to share your broadcast. You can share your broadcast by clicking in this area, or you can share on your Facebook, on your Twitter, or share the link. If you have an assistant or somebody that can help you to share this, you can come here and click on share the link. So you will be able to share the link with these people, okay? The next option is start stretching, so you can basically draw anything here and it will disappear after a few seconds, So here we are. You can change the color and all that. Is super interactive. These tools that you can use with your audience very easily. You can hide the chat and flip the camera on this option. If you do 2 clicks here, you can also flip the camera. See, 2 clicks, And you see that Gabriel Vital from New York just joined. Hey Gabriel, how are you? And this is how it works, guys. I hope this is helpful. I hope you use this on your marketing, because it's a good way, it's a good tool to promote your brand, promote your products, promote your website, your landing page, your videos. There is no limit of the things that you can do with live video today. And people love live video. And you have these tools that you can use 100% free. I hope you like. To finish the broadcast, you click on the screen and scroll down, and you will see at the top here, broadcast or camera flip. That's another way to flip the camera, or you can click on stop broadcast. Let me do that right now. So I stop the broadcast. It's saving all this information, and after that we'll be ready on my Twitter account, and also for my followers on Periscope. They will see, they will be able to see the recorded version of this scope. Okay, I hope you like. See you in the next video.